In a land where moonlight danced on silver lakes and sunlight sparkled on golden meadows, lived two magical fairy sisters, Lyria, the white fairy, and Nyra, the black fairy. Though their appearances were as different as day and night, their hearts were deeply connected. Lyria's wings shimmered like soft snowflakes, spreading peace and healing wherever she flew. Nyra's wings, on the other hand, glittered like 1,000 midnight stars, offering protection to creatures of the night and guiding lost souls home. The kingdom loved Lyria for her gentle kindness and adored Nyra for her fearless strength. Together, they created a perfect balance of light and darkness, joy and mystery. But their world was about to be shaken. The Fairy Council revealed an ancient prophecy. A bride of pure heart will save the kingdom from the great shadow. She will wear the colors of both day and night. Instantly, all eyes turned to Lyria with her white wings and gentle nature. Everyone assumed she was the foretold white fairy bride. But secretly, Nyra hoped she might also have a chance to prove her worth. She was often misunderstood, seen as strange because of her dark wings, even though her heart overflowed with loyalty and love for her kingdom. One day, the peaceful sky cracked with thunder. A monstrous, dark cloud, the great shadow swept across the land, swallowing the sunlight, wilting the flowers, and silencing all laughter. Panic spread like wildfire. The prophecy was clear. Only a magical union of light and darkness could stop it. But who was the true fairy bride? The kingdom was divided and afraid. As the danger grew, both Lyria and Nyra stepped forward at the same moment. Lyria spoke softly, "If my light can save our home, I am ready." Nyra added firmly, "And if my strength can protect everyone, I will not back away." Seeing their shared bravery, the Fairy Council finally understood the prophecy's true meaning. It never spoke of one bride, it spoke of the unity of two. Together, they held the key. Adorned in gowns woven by ancient wines, Lyria wore shimmering white petals, and Nyra wore glowing black feathers. When they joined hands, their powers intertwined, unleashing a brilliant silver beam that pierced through the heart of the great shadow, shattering it into dust. Instantly, the sun returned, flowers bloomed in vibrant color, and the sound of laughter and joy filled the air once more. The kingdom sparkled brighter than ever before. From that day on, they were celebrated as the white and black fairy brides, a timeless symbol of harmony. They taught everyone that light needs darkness, kindness needs courage, and our differences are what make the world truly magical and strong. Every year, the kingdom holds a grand festival where fairies in white and black dance together, honoring the two sisters who showed them that true beauty lies in unity. Thanks for watching. If you loved this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical tales.